Hi guys, Nick from HiFi Collective here. What we have before us here is the new products that we've got in. Going to chat through them, bit of an intro. So Mundorf have a new range of wires. It's patent pending, basically hookup wires, speaker wires. It's a special copper, silver, gold alloy. Now I have asked what the composition is, but they won't tell me obviously. So I'm not sure how much silver or how much gold's in it. But it comes in several formats. You've got 4 diameters, 0.5 mil, which is this one. 1 mil, 1.5 and 2 mil. So you can get it as bare, like this, or you can get it PTF sleeved, single core like this. So it comes in blue and black. Or you can get it twisted like this, ready for speaker hookup kind of straight away, with its blue and black sleeving. Cool. So it's going down really well actually. It's quite a popular wire from Mundorf. It's called the Mundorf M-Connect CAW Angelique. Fostex, we bought in a range of Fostex, the FF range. It's basically a lower cost, full frequency speaker. This one is the FF125WK. Oop, comes with screws. Kind of a grey matte finish. It's got a double paper layered cone, an aluminium alloy dust cap there. So yeah, if you want to play around with some full frequency drivers, these would be a great one to start with. Not too pricey. So they come in, there's 5 different sizes on those. Let's just have a little look at their pamphlet. It's in it. There's quite a few in there. Owner's manual. Oh, different languages, that's what it is. They haven't provided any kind of, oh they have. So you've got, let's get the English one. You can see at the back, you've got a little cabinet design. That's cool, so you could get them and just knock up a cabinet, it's quite straightforward. We should do that, shouldn't we? That'd be cool. Right, that's that. Pop that away. Yeah, we should do it with the biggest one they do, because the sensitivity on these isn't too bad either. My woodworking skills aren't great though. Let's get man from B&Q to do it for us, cut up these. Oh, another buy we had from ProAmp. These are LCRs, electrolytics. These LCRs are no longer made anymore. I mean, LCR, the company still exists, but they don't do the electrolytics. A Welsh company. So we've got 32 plus 32 450 volt here. You're probably wondering why there's 4 solder tags. Obviously you've got your earth, and then you've got one 32 earth and the other 32 earth, and the other one will be just for stability. So when you solder it in, it doesn't wobble around. There's those, and then this one is a 220 UF 385 volt. So again, we've got a couple of extra terminals just to give it stability. You can always cut them off, or you can just hardwire it from there to there. These were already popular in guitar amps. But yeah, a great electrolytic. And then another one is, this is 100 UF 450 volt. So 2 terminals there. These are the dummies that are not connected to anything, just used for stability again. Here we have nickel-plated RCA sockets. These are the standard size for kind of quality RCAs. Insulator there for the chassis. Obviously a lower cost than the silver-plated and the gold-plated. So there you go. We got in the other day some Lawlin selector. This is a 2-pole 6-way selector. gold flash on here, lower cost, obviously plastic. There's a 1/4 inch shaft on this one. You can easily cut these down with cutters, and also if you look inside, you've got a washer there that you can move around. You have to get some tool to pull it out. So if you want it 2-pole, 5-way, easily done. Just pull it out and put the locator in the 5 position. That's those. And here we have a Neotec pure silver LAN cable. You may be wondering, why would you have a pure silver LAN cable? Well, believe it or not, it actually helps. A lot of people use these for their music source. So yeah, sweet cable. There's one end, same as the other end. So yeah, great Ethernet cable there for all your digital applications. And then let's have a look at these babies. These are super tweeters from Fostex. It's a T900A with an Alnico magnet. Fostex make great drivers, they're just so amazing quality. They do a headphone valve amp as well, which is awesome. Documentation, you generally just pop these on the top of the speaker. Alnico magnet. So take your watch off. If you've got an analog watch, take it off before you touch it. Magnet's pretty strong. Pretty heavy. So there we go. Then you get your bits of wood there that you can pop them on. Stuck in, I'm not getting them out. So yeah, terminals there. So I don't think you put a crossover, you just wire it straight out and then pop it on top of the speaker and you'll get some super high frequency tweety stuff going on. So this is all our kind of new bits of late. Until next time, take care. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.